Ash blonde hair is a captivating hue that effortlessly blends cool and warm tones, creating a versatile and sophisticated look. This shade is characterized by its subtle blend of blonde and gray undertones, reminiscent of the soft ash of a burnt ember. It's a popular choice among those seeking a natural yet polished appearance, as it complements a wide range of skin tones and eye colors. Whether styled in loose waves, sleek straight strands, or trendy braids, ash blonde hair exudes an understated elegance that can elevate any hairstyle. One of the most appealing aspects of ash blonde hair is its ability to add depth and dimension to the overall look. The cool undertones create a multi-dimensional effect, giving the hair a sense of movement and texture. Whether highlighted with lighter strands or blended with darker shades, ash blonde hair can create a stunning contrast that draws attention to facial features and enhances natural beauty. Additionally, the subtle gray undertones lend a touch of sophistication and maturity to the hair, making it a popular choice for individuals of all ages. Maintaining ash blonde hair requires regular upkeep to preserve its vibrant hue and prevent unwanted brassiness. Since ash tones can sometimes appear dull or yellowish over time, using specialized shampoos and conditioners formulated for blonde hair can help neutralize any unwanted warmth and keep the color looking fresh and vibrant. Additionally, scheduling regular appointments with a skilled colorist for touch-ups and toning treatments can ensure that ash blonde hair retains its beautiful, natural-looking hue. In conclusion, ash blonde hair is a timeless and versatile shade that effortlessly combines cool and warm tones to create a sophisticated and elegant look. Whether styled in loose waves, sleek straight strands, or trendy braids, this versatile hue complements a wide range of skin tones and eye colors, making it a popular choice among individuals seeking a natural yet polished appearance. With proper maintenance and care, ash blonde hair can maintain its vibrant hue and multi-dimensional shine, allowing individuals to enjoy its timeless beauty for years to come.